Back when I taught Shakespeare, I used to show my classes Al Pacino's 1996 documentary Looking for Richard. The film explores Shakespeare's relevance in popular culture. Among the actors Al Pacino interviews is James Earl Jones. And I wanted to share a short clip with you from this film where Jones recalls where he first heard Shakespeare's great words, as he puts it, in the fields of the Midwest.
My own experience was in the fields in Michigan when I was raised on a farm. And an uncle, who was a northern guy, black northern guy, came out the field one day and started narrating Anthony's speech, the funeral oration.
From Shakespeare's Julius Caesar.
Yeah, we'd heard stuff in the Bible. But my first time as a kid, I was hearing great words having great meaning, you know?